This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency alert system, equipping the broadcasters of your area in voluntary cooperation with the FBI, FCC, and other authorities, and develop a system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this happens, an actual emergency, keep tuning into your area for news and official information, instructions for networks and radio stations. This station serves the most away area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
We now enjoy your normal programming, already in progress.